Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I'm Rashmi and I'm a mum of 2 school-going kids, and I know how difficult it is to put together something interesting for Tiffin every single day. And that's why with some of India's best loved chefs, we've put together 200 recipes for 200 school days. We're going to make broccoli cheese paratha. Now broccoli standalone is a very nutritious vegetable, but getting children to eat it can be quite difficult. But in this form, it's going to be not only nutritious, but also absolutely delicious. So come along and let's see how to make this dish and try and make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. Now I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of oil and add it to the pan. And in this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. We're going to saute this and add 1 medium onion which has been chopped really fine. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of red chili flakes to this. And once the onions are translucent, I'm going to put in half cup of very finely chopped broccoli. Give this a good stir and your mix is ready now. Now to this, I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of cheese. So a pinch of salt is all that you need. We're going to add about a good tablespoon of tomato ketchup. What the ketchup is going to do is really give this a nice flavor. The broccoli needs to even out with something a little more zingy. So one final mix and it's ready to go into our paratha. So you take a fist size of your wheat flour dough. And now I'm ready to roll out the paratha. And now that it's cooked on one side, I'm just going to flip it. And now that the paratha is cooked on both sides, I'm going to turn the burner off. So here you have it. You can make these into nice little triangles. And I'm going to put it into the tiffin right now. And to this, we're going to add some pomegranate, and we have some walnuts. I hope you like these 5 recipes. Subscribe to India Food Network and do share these recipes with your family and friends. I'll be back one more time to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.